So here we are, Duxford Airshow 2021. There's Johnny over there. Vlogging here today, it's beautiful here today. World War II show. About 15 minutes time we've got a pile of Spitfires going off. So I'll just show you around the site today. Huh? What do you mean take pictures? Okay boss, I'm coming. Just to let everyone know, this is shit photography and shit video. Yeah, not got a fucking clue about planes, any of them. But I know a man that can, and he's here, Mr. Plane. There he is. So,
how much a chance to have one of them? Here we go.
come make the ton, you've got to fill out a petrol.
That's what they trained in. Right?
Yeah, so look at that.
They trained in when they went to Spitfires. Fucking triplanes up there.
Triplanes.
That's the A5s.
Oh, there's a Nazi one there.
I didn't think that was going to go.
The Battle of Britain. And we are also celebrating
Pulled up deliberately to take the piss to get him for nothing.
You know the film Battle of Britain?
Yeah.
Some of these planes here, what if you taken part in the film? Those were the versions they used in the Battle of Britain.
This blue one here, John's a reconnaissance aircraft. I know that.
The colour, it's all in that blue colour, there would be a reconnaissance aircraft.
I've been on none of these planes. None of these walk-up I've never been in, John. But you see that one over there, British Airways? See that one there? I've been on a few holidays.
Oh, that one there, yeah? Yeah, look, that's the American Air Museum.
That's the Afghanistan Air Museum over there. The Taliban alive in there, all their free Apaches. Look at that, John, what's that thing over there?
What's that?
On the screen.
That's what's been flying, we've been seeing flying, mate. It's,
Funny looking thing, isn't it?
yeah. Dragonfly, I think.
You're fucking Mr. Know-it-all, John, aren't you? I have to get you a job on the fucking History Channel. We're here with JT, correspondent of World War II, knows every single aircraft in the fucking world.
I don't, mate. I don't. I used to.
Fucking do. You just gone down this list of Spitfires and told me every single one, what fucking grade it was, what number it was, what country it flown in, and whether it's got a Merlin engine or whatever engine.
Wait, do you want to buy something?
Huh?
Fancy drink?
It's going into the members area where the VIPs go. You've got to be a VIP to come in here. It's got to be a VIP to come in here. Not that any of these scruffy bastards up here look like VIPs, but I've not got a clue what a VIP is supposed to look like, but members area with JT. Oh, sorry, my girlfriend.
Partner.
Just the VIP area, mate. No, we want the scummy members area. We want the VIP area.
Was it just for the...
It's just members, this is.
So they should come in there? No, wait, don't worry.
Where's the VIP area then? Aye? Oh, never mind.
Oh,
So only you got that, have you?
yeah, I can get in there. Alright, see you later, Roper.
Typical, isn't it? Got a couple of, you must have a couple of free cars we can use for a day.
No.
Hang on, John. What's this massive plane here? This one here.
B-52.
A B-52 bomber, Second World War.
No, it's not Second World War, it's Cold War.
What year?
They're
Cold
still
War.
using
Cold
it.
War.
They're
All
still
right.
using
Cold War then. Dirty Russians.
They've been bombing the Taliban
Right.
in the last...
All right. Taliban. Yeah. There's a hang on. B-24 Liberator. And the one in the air is a what? A jet? Which jet's this one?
F-15.
F-15. They're still in service, ain't they?
Seriously, yeah, still going.
Yeah. That one got wrote off of Escort Mark II.
That's what most American pilots learn to fly in. This one here. It's the steering.
Oh, what? This yellow thing?
Yeah. And the one at the
So
back
training
is
plane.
First World War, that's the Stag.
Yeah.
American design, First World War.
Little two-wing thing, yeah, biplane type.
Eddie Rickenbacker was an American First World War fighter race.
Hang on. So what do you think it's over? Rubbish. Yeah, James Doolittle, World War II general, forward-thinking man. And this guy here is Ira Baker. He led the Air Force in the Battle of Britain, the Mediterranean Air Forces. And this fellow here is Cole Sparks, 44, Sparks commands all the American Strategic Air Force in Europe. Boys and girls, yes. We've got JTF in the History Channel.
A-10 Warthog.
Up there we've got a A-10 Warthog. What year, John?
Yeah,
Oh, that's current, isn't it?
they're still going, mate.
Yeah, okay.
They can't find anything to replace it.
Because it's that good, isn't it? It's from
Yeah,
the,
it's that brilliant,
it's in the
mate.
mid-70s as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what's this one here, John, again?
F-111.
F-111. Still in service, or that one's...
No, I think they've been retired now.
Oh, okay. It's John from the History Channel. Right, as we go on, John. Carry on. There we go. Fucking hell, that's a lot of people. Roll of Honour. There you go. That's... Wow.
So during 8th or 9th Air Force during the Second World War.
All the Americans that died, yeah? It's a lot of people.
Well, because they flew during the day, didn't they?
Now look at you, cunt Biden. Look at all these fucking lot. They all fought for freedom. And there's you fucking twat, leaving people in Afghanistan.
It is true.
Some DJ decks.
You can't take it all in one day. Do you know what I mean? So you're in here, don't forget those planes will be flying soon.
Look, that's the very early DJ decks, Pioneer. Under the wing of a B-52 bomber.
There's the front of it, look. There's the nose. Yeah.
Big old lump, isn't it? So obviously, is that an old jump jet area, John? Yeah. F what?
Phantom. That's the Navy version of the actual Phantom.
What year?
That'd have been like late 60s, into the 70s.
70s, outplate then. Same year as the Vauxhall Viva. 1973. Sorry, and what's this one here, John? World War
World War One.
World War One. Obviously RAF, isn't it?
No, it's American.
Is it American?
The Lafayette Squadron. See the hat on the side? No, not Lafayette. Flown by Eddie Rickenbacker. It was the American First World War 1-ace.
Oh yeah, okay. So this B-52 bomber, John, it's fucking massive.
That's right.
I mean, like, so it's got jet power as well.
92.
I thought it was a prop. I thought it was a prop.
No. 92, I went to my first air show at Boston Down, and I
have nothing to offer but blood, toil, tears, and sweat. We have before us an ordeal of the most grievous kind. We have before us many, many long months of struggle and of suffering. You ask, what is our policy? I will say, it is to wage war by sea, land, and air, with all our might, with all the strength that God can give us, to wage war against a monstrous tyranny never surpassed in the dark and lamentable catalogue of human crime. That is our policy. You ask, what is our aim? I can answer in one word, victory. Victory at all costs. Victory in spite of all terror. Victory however long and hard the road may be. For without victory there is no survival.
Now we are the masters of our fate. That the task which has been set us is not above our strength. That its pangs and toils are not beyond our endurance. As long as we have faith in our cause and an unconquerable willpower, salvation will not be denied us.
Hitler knows that he will have to break us in this island or lose the war. Let us, therefore, brace ourselves to our duty, and so bear ourselves that if the British Empire and its Commonwealth last for 1,000 years, men will still say, this was their finest hour. Never in the field of human conflict was so much owed by so many to so few. We shall fight in France. We shall fight on the seas and oceans. We shall fight with growing confidence and growing strength in the air. We shall defend our island, whatever the cost may be. We shall fight on the beaches. We shall fight on the landing grounds. We shall fight in the fields and in the streets. We shall fight in the hills. We shall never surrender. Never give in. Never, never, never. In nothing, great or small, large or petty, never give in except to convictions of honor and good sense. Never yield to force. Never yield to the apparently overwhelming might of the enemy. We stood all alone a year ago, and to many countries it seemed that our account was closed. We were finished. All this tradition of ours, our school history, our songs, this part of the history of our country, all were gone and finished and liquidated. Very different is the mood today. Britain, other nations thought, had drawn a sponge across her slate, but instead our country stood in the gap. There was no flinching, no thought of giving in. And by what seemed almost a miracle to those outside these islands, though we ourselves never doubted it, we now find ourselves in a position where I say we can be sure that we have only to persevere to conquer.
Fucking Concorde's nose. Big nose over there, look at it. Big nose. Look at big nose. Look at big nose over there.